Hey guys, so today I have here a Nissan Navara, the next generation in Vietnam. We have 2.3 twin-turbo diesel engine. So today I'm gonna do a full stage 1 upgrade for this one. The package include I'll change the K&N air filter, and I will do a full exhaust system with 3 inches. And lastly, I will modify the ECU software to utilize the whole hardware together with it. So firstly, I'm gonna put it on the dyno, run the stock test, see how much it's got at the wheel. Also, at the meantime, I collect all the data of the original performance of the car. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, so I put the full exhaust system in this car already, together with the K&N air filter, and after modifying the ECU software, I'm gonna run the dyno test again to see how much is gained at the wheel. So finally we have the result here. With the stock car we have 144 wheel horsepower. So after putting full exhaust system, K&N filter, and ECU remapping, we have 189. So roughly we gain around 45 wheel horsepower. And in terms of torque, we have originally 281. After tune, it's got 433. So gaining around 152 Newton meter. So you can see the torque coming really good at the low RPM. So the car accelerates really well. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching.